Welcome to my Bharatnatyam online class. This is my first video on Bharatnatyam tutorial. Today I will discuss about hand gesture or Hasta Mudra. There are 28 types of Asamyukta Hasta Mudra and 23 types of Samyukta Hasta Mudra mentioned in Natya Shastra. Today I am going to discuss about Asamyukta Hasta Mudra, which are very important and essential part of Indian classical dance. So let's start it. Pataka. It is indicated by all the fingers joined and stretched. Tripataka. It is indicated by bending the ring finger of Pataka Hasta. Ardha Pataka. The ring finger and the little fingers of Pataka are bent in. Kartari Mukha. The index and the middle fingers of Ardha Pataka or Tripataka separated and stretched. Mayura. The ring finger and thumb in Tripataka are joined and other fingers are extended. Ardha Chandra. The thumb in Pataka is stretched out. Arala. The forefinger of Pataka is curved inwards. Shukhatunda. The third finger of Arala is bent or the first finger of Tripataka is bent. Mushti. The fingers are closed into a fist and the thumb placed over them. Shikhara. The thumb of Mushti is raised. Kapitha. The forefinger of Shikhara is over the thumb and bent little finger raised a little. Kataka Mukhaha. There are 3 types of Kataka Mukhaha. As per Abhinaya Darpana, the index and the middle fingers of Kapitha are joined to the thumb and the other 2 fingers may be separated and stretched out. It corresponds to Hamsasya of Natya Shastra also. Suchi. The forefinger of Kataka Mukhaha is raised and the other fingers bent into the palm. Chandrakala. The thumb in Suchi is stretched away from the palm. Padma Kosha. The fingers separated and bent, making the palm hollow. Sarpashira. The tips of fingers of Pataka are curved. Mrigashisa. The thumb and the little finger of Sarpashira are lifted up and the other fingers become straight and extended. Simhamukha. The tips of the middle and the ring fingers are joined to the thumb and the other 2 fingers are raised and stretched. Kangula. The third finger of Padma Kosha is curved. Alapadma. The fingers are opened and separated. Little finger over palm, other sloping downward, thumb in line with palm. Chatura. The thumb placed at the base of the third finger, first, second and the third fingers joined and stretched out. Bhramara. The thumb and the middle fingers touch in a curve. The forefinger is curved and the remaining fingers separated and stretched out. Hamsasya. The thumb and the index fingers touch in a curve. The other fingers separated and stretched out straight. Hamsapaksha. The little finger of Sarpashira is stretched upward, the fingers joined and stretched out, the thumb bent and kept at the side. Samdamsha. According to Abhinaya Darpana, this is indicated by bringing together the Padma Kosha fingers and separating respectively. Mukula. The tips of fingers are joined together. Tamrachura. As per Abhinaya Darpana, it is indicated by lifting up and curving the forefinger of Mukula. Trishula. The thumb and the little fingers are joined and the other 3 fingers separated and stretched out. Thank you.